Hello, and I'm going to be trying something new for over the next couple of weeks to a few months. It's about testing your Ansible knowledge. So, what I've decided to do is set up some assertions. So, basically, like test driven deployment. If you've ever heard of TDD, what it is you sit down, you decide what it is you want, how you know when you've accomplished it, and then you write some tests that sort of test whether you've managed to do that or not. And then you run the tests, they all fail, and then you start to write the code that actually then passes the test. And then when you've finished and you've passed all the tests, then you've completed the work and you move on to something else. It's a way of trying to control the work you do to just within the confines of the tests that you've created. There's a whole load of stuff on it. Feel free to search it. So what I've done, I've got a new GitHub page. It's called Test Your Ansible. I've got a couple of levels on there at the moment, level 1 and level 2. I provide the tests. If we have a quick look at, say, well, you can see here as you scroll down, level 1. So it's nice and simple. Just set the time zone. Just do it on localhost. You can do it on remote servers if you want. I don't really mind. You're going to set the time zone to UTC. You're going to install Nginx. You're going to start Nginx and make sure that it's listening on port 80. And you're also going to update your index.html file to say a string. Sorry for the inconvenience, but. And then it will pass. And then we're going to have level 2 where it creates some users with some specific UIDs. Tom, Dick and Harry. And then certain UIDs get members of certain groups, so I want you to do that. And then I want you to set X11 forwarding to yes, then set MOTD to containing unauthorized users. Sorry, unauthorized access is not allowed on this server. And then, so what you're going to do is you're going to clone this repo. You're going to run the level1.yaml. I'll show you that now. So it's just connecting to localhost. We're just running some very basic commands that collect the information we need, and then we're using the assertion module to then prove whether it's met the test or not. And then you can see here that we're checking if Ansible is installed, we're checking if the port 80 is open, we're then checking if our string is present. And each level has its own MD, so you get more specific commands. So in here I give you a sample HTML file, and you can see here that it's got the sorry for the inconvenience bit. Have a quick look at that. And also level 2 has got an MD file as well. So once you've written it, put it into GitHub, obviously your own GitHub. Send me a link, either maybe as an issue or just contact me through YouTube. Leave your thing in the comments. However you want to contact me, feel free to do that. And then I will download your code, run it, and then I'll then run the assertion modules against it and see if it passes. And if it does, and I think you've got a really good solution, what I'll do is I will add it to the solutions directory for level 1. If there's a couple of good ones, I might add more than one, and I'll give you the credit for it. As we go on, I'm going to make it a lot harder. So I'm going to give you some quite sort of hard ones to do. Starting out with easy ones now. Get in there now. Watch the repo. Star the repo. If you've got ideas about things that you want to be able to do, then just send that in to me, and I'll do an assertion test for it, and then we'll put it out there and let everyone else have a go. So that's what we're going to do. At least that's what I'm going to do. Join in with me. It'd be really great to see if you can actually manage this. All the information is in the comment section, well, the information section about this video. So give it a go. Let me know how you get on, and subscribe to the video, because in a few weeks' time I'll add the solutions. If nobody comes back to me, or I'll create a solutions video myself and I'll add it in, and then hopefully what this will do is over time it will build up quite a few different examples and scenarios of how to do certain things, and it will be quite an interesting code base for people to come and get the fix for the thing it is that they're trying to do. So thank you for listening. Enjoy the tests, good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.